Hello guys, I am Shubhankar Barman, a student of chemistry department in Mathema College. Today I am going to discuss about resonance. So let's start. Here we can see the content. So at first we will discuss about the definition of resonance. When a compound can be represented by more than one Lewis structure and the actual structure is hybrid of all structures, the compound is said to possess resonance. The resonance mainly is the delocalization of pi electrons. Let's talk about the importance of resonance, why the concept of resonance came in our mind. As example, if we take benzene ring, we know benzene ring is hexagonal in shape and there is 3 pi bond in the ring. We also know that the bond length between two adjacent carbon is 154 picometer for single bond, and for double bond the bond length is 134 picometer. But if we measure the bond length of two adjacent carbon in benzene ring, the bond length will be approximately 139 picometer. Here the concept of resonance occur, because if there is no resonance or no delocalization of pi electrons which are situated in the benzene rings, there will be a difference in benzene ring between the bond lengths. But we have never seen any difference between the bond lengths in the benzene ring. Next, if we look at NO3 plus ion, we know the bond length of NO are approximately 119.9 picometer, 121.1 picometer, and 140.6 picometer. But the real bond length between NO are 130 picometer. It is because of resonance, because the electrons situated in the NO3 plus ion are delocalized among the whole NO3 ion. For that, the bond length become all the three bond length become equal. Now its resonance effect: the increase in electron density at one position with a corresponding decrease at another position is called resonance effect. Simply, when electron density in one position get increased, in the corresponding nearby place the electron density get decreased. Resonance, the organic compound in benzene, if we talk about that, benzene has two resonance structure, two canonical structure. It is commonly depicted as hexagon with a circle inside, signify the delocalized electron in the ring, and it will be the resonating structure. There are two type of resonance, plus on the basis of the group which are attached to the molecule. There is plus R group and minus R group. If the plus R group is attached to the molecule, it will be showing plus R effect, or the minus R group attached to the molecule, it will show minus R effect. The plus R group are electron donating group, means they will give electron to the benzene ring or to the molecule. If we look at the example, there will be hydroxyl group in H2 or the halogen. In the minus R group, they are electron withdrawing group. That means they will collect the electron from the benzene ring or the molecule. As example, we can take aldehyde group, the carboxyl group, and the cyanide group, etc. Plus R group are always orthopara directing group, and the minus R group are meta directing group, and plus R group are always ring activating and minus R are ring deactivating. Let's move to the next page. Let's see the example of plus R effect. As example, we take the phenol. In one phenol, the OH group shows plus M effect due to the delocalization of ion pair on oxygen atom towards the ring. That's the electron density of benzene ring is get increased in the particularly in ortho and para position. In here the oxygen, the electron of oxygen came in here and here makes the double bond, and for their for their oxygen uh, get partially positive charged, and the pi bond of this carbon come, the pi electron of this carbon came in this carbon. So the so the ortho position get partially negative charged in that way. Here in para position it get partially negative charged, and now again in ortho position it gets partially negative charged. For the minus example, we took nitro group. We can notice that in 3 of the 4 resonance structure, a positive charge exists on the ortho and para position. Thus, the hybrid structure is electron poor in these areas, meaning that in electrophile generally attached to the more electron rich meta position. Here is the ortho position. Here we can see the positive charge. In para position, here we can see the positive charge, and here also in ortho position we can see the positive charge. For that, these areas, the meta positions will be get more negatively charged. At last, we will talk about the stability of resonating structures. At first, the resonance structure with fewer charges are more stable than those with more charges. That means which has more stable, which has more structure of which has more conical structure will be more stable. Next, the neutral structure are always stable than the charge structure. Increase in the charge separation decreases the stability of resonating structures. Next point is the resonating structure with greater number of covalent bond is more stable. And at last, the structure having complete octave, all the atom in always more stable than the structure having incomplete octave of atom. Here in the left, we can see the relative stabilities of tertiary, secondary, and allyl cations. As we know, tertiary allylic cation will have more resonating structure. For that, it will be more stable. Then comes secondary allylic cation, and then allylic cation, and we can see the tertiary benzylic cation is more stable than the secondary benzylic cation, then and secondary benzylic cation is more stable than the benzyl cation. So that's all from me. Thanks for your kind attention. Goodbye.